So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. And today in this video we will see how can you draw gestures with some little tips. So without any time wasting, let's start the video. So guys, the first thing you have to keep in your mind that always start with strong line of action. So if you do know little bit about gesture, then you also know about line of action. But if you don't know, so the line of action is a line which shows the flow of the pose and movement of the pose. For example, here the red line shows the movement of the pose and the flow of the pose because this red line is the line of action. One second, guys. For this pose, this is the line of action, and for this pose, this red line is also line of action. For this and here and here. Yeah, it will be little trickier for draw line of action for sitting poses, but with more practice you can manage it. And there are mainly three type of curves. First one is S curve, second one is C curve, and third one is straight line. So this is about line of action. So guys, the second thing is to find the weight of the body or the body part which is touched properly to the ground. For example, here the feet is touched properly to the ground right here, and the body weight on this leg. So now we have the proper and good foundation, and it really easier to draw poses if you have a strong foundation. And for this pose, as you can see, this feet is touched properly to the ground and the body weight on this leg, and here also same, and here also same. But on this pose there are two plane touched to the ground and two feet are properly touched to the ground and the body weight on this both legs. And here we have two proper foundation because the leg are touched properly to the ground. And for this also pose, and for this pose also, the feet is touched properly to the ground and the body weight on these both legs. And the third thing is symmetry and asymmetry. So how does symmetry works? First, let's talk about symmetry. Symmetry has the circular form. It not completely circle, but it look like circle and it has a form like a circle. And it is also show very boring and straight standing pose. Like here in this pose, there is like a balloon of arms and legs, stomachs. It's like show completely circular form, and it has no dynamic form and it doesn't have that gesture flow. So this is the symmetry. And now talk about asymmetry. So guys, this is asymmetry. As you can see in this figure, there is a uncompleted form and it doesn't show any circular form. And as you can see, it's incomplete. It has wavy flow like a water and also dynamic flow, and the flow keeps going forward. It has no end and it's keep going forward. And asymmetric is more accurate to human body. You can draw human body with this flow as much you can. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care.